63,773. Protectors or flaps for rear wheels. 1. No person shall drive or operate or cause to be driven or operated upon the public highways, streets, bridges, and culverts within the state of Mississippi, or any subdivision thereof, any car, truck, tractor, trailer, or semi-trailer, or bus used for the transportation of property or persons, the gross weight of which, including load, exceeds 10 tons, unless such motor vehicle is equipped with suitable metal protectors or substantial flexible flaps on the rearmost wheels of such vehicle, or combination of wheels, so as to prevent, as far as possible, such wheels from throwing dirt, water, and other materials on the windshields of following motor vehicles. However, pull trailers, dump trucks, and all trucks carrying an F license tag shall be exempt from the provisions of this section. 2. Such protectors or flaps shall be constructed of substantial and suitable materials approved by the Commissioner of Public Safety and shall have a ground clearance not more than 1/5 of the distance from the center of the rearmost axle to the center of the flap. Under any conditions of loading operation of the motor vehicle, they shall be at least as wide as the tires they are protecting. However, if the motor vehicle is so designed and constructed that the purpose of this section cannot be met, then in the discretion of the Commissioner of Public Safety, no such protectors or flaps shall be required. If the said rearmost wheels are not adequately covered at the top of the fenders, body, or other parts of the vehicle, the said protectors or flaps shall be extended to a point directly above the rearmost axle. Lamps or wiring shall not be attached to protectors or flaps, and any reflectors or reflectorized material attached to or made a part of the protectors or flaps shall be in addition to the reflectors required by law on the vehicle. 3. The Commissioner of Public Safety is hereby charged with the duty of administering provisions of this section. 4. Any person convicted of violation of any of the provisions of this section shall, for the first violation thereof, be punished by a fine of not more than $25 or by imprisonment for not more than 10 days. For a second conviction, such person shall be punished by a fine not more than $100 or by imprisonment for not more than 20 days. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.